इस पल की और इसी दृश्य की हम प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे।
Guard Commander, the Indian Navy this year conducting the guard, says Antar Sena Samman Garad. Antar Sena is Tri-Services and Delhi Police. So Antar Sena Samman Garad is the Tri-Services and Delhi Police Guard of Honor for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Parade instructed to stand in attention to receive Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He will be received by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, Raksha Rajya Mantri Sanjay Seth and Defence Secretary Giridhar Aramane. What a magnificent view of the historic Red Fort in Delhi.
Flag Guard. The Guard Commander, Commander Vinay Dubey, giving the command as the Prime Minister's carcade gently takes the curve of the moat to arrive towards the Lahori Gate side.
There are two gates of the historic Red Fort, the Delhi Gate that faces the national capital, and this is the Lahori Gate, because it was from this gate that the Mughal emperors would then embark on their journey to Lahore. But the Special Protection Group now gives an all-clear sign for the Prime Minister to step out. This is standard operating procedure. The SPG gives the final clearance after taking a quick look and getting clearances from all those at the watchtowers. And then the Prime Minister steps out of his bulletproof vehicle to be received by the Raksha Mantri, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Raksha Rajya Mantri, Minister of State for Defence Sanjay Seth, and the Defence Secretary. And then it's the Defence Secretary who introduces the Prime Minister to the General Officer Commanding of Delhi area, Lieutenant General Bhavnish Kumar, and the Prime Minister then moves for the Guard of Honor. At the Guard of Honor, one officer and 24 personnel of the armed forces.
अंतर सेना पुलिस समानकर आपके निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है श्रीमान।
Commander Arun Kumar Mehta informing the Prime Minister that the guard
Commander
is ready
of the Indian Navy, and what a smart salute by the Prime Minister. It was a naval salute. And the Prime Minister completely in sync with the armed forces, since it's the Indian Navy that leads the Tri-Services and Delhi Police Guard of Honor. So it's a naval salute by the Prime Minister. The officer told the Prime Minister that the Tri-Services and Delhi Police Guard of Honor is ready for his inspection.
The inspection of the Guard of Honor complete.